Schools in Chennai to remain shut today in view of heavy rains. Good afternoon, warm welcome you watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from Education News Network. Today's stories are: the Tamil Nadu government on Tuesday declared a holiday for schools in Chennai district for tomorrow, 15th November, after incessant rainfall lashed the state. Earlier, the India Meteorological Department, IMD, issued an orange alert on Monday, indicating the possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall in the coastal regions of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal on 13th November and 14th. Since the beginning of November, it has been raining widely. Last week, most places in Tamil Nadu received moderate to heavy rain, resulting in severe waterlogging and schools being shut down. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. More such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork.com. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.